We are sick once again. Awesome. What is going on?
Once again, we are sick over here. This time it is my husband and I, and the kids are completely fine, which honestly, I would rather have it that way. I absolutely hate my kids being sick, but I do think that both of us being sick at the same time is kind of awful because we both feel like crap and the kids are just running circles around us. And as you can see, the house has absolutely gone to crap. It is quite a freaking mess in here, and I'm still only at like 50%. So is my husband. So I'm kind of just doing what I can in this video and just doing my best. So this is what I did. And don't even get me wrong, this was like taking a lot of breaks, resting a lot, blowing my nose a ton off of camera. This is just what I got done in a day, and that's about it. So I am, first of all, unpacking. We took like a quick little 36 to 48 hour trip over the weekend. That is actually kind of what got us sick. We think we got back from that and immediately got super sick. So I think we just picked up some germs or something while traveling. I don't even know. It feels like it doesn't even matter how much I wash my hands. I wash my hands and my kids' hands and use hand sanitizer so frequently while we're traveling for this reason. And I feel like one of us, or in this case, two of us, still got sick. So yeah, I just needed to unpack the toiletries from that and get some laundry going. I also wiped down the counters and the sink in the bathroom, and now I'm moving on to our bedroom, getting rid of all these nasty tissues. We have plates and cups in here because we've kind of just been taking turns rotting in bed while the other takes care of the kids and makes sure they get off to what they're doing. We couldn't even send them to school because we had RSV, and it's so contagious that they don't want you sending your kids to school. Even if they don't have it, if anybody in the house has it and is still contagious, they don't want you to send your kids to school. So they've been stuck at the house with us, but we're trying to like keep our distance so they don't get sick and keep them entertained. It's just been a lot. So I'm wiping down everything in here, spraying everything down with disinfectant. I sprayed the whole bathroom down with disinfectant as well. I'm using the Clorox multi-surface disinfectant, so you can use it on hard surfaces, soft surfaces, and the air, and just giving everything a very good spray down. And now we're in the kitchen, and I just got to clean all this stuff up. I did get a grocery haul, so I'm going to be putting away all the stuff that's on this counter that needs to go home to its place, throwing away trash, putting dirty dishes into the sink, and then going to spray this baby down with some multi-surface cleaner and some disinfectant as well. Going to do the whole counter, the stools, everything that the kids touch, everything that we touch, it's getting sprayed with disinfectant and wiped down really, really well.
I don't know. It's supposed to be for like little toddlers. I don't care. My kids just keep asking for snacks and stuff, and I just thought I would make a snack mix to kind of make my life easier. But as you can see, like there's kind of baby stuff in it, but I really don't care because my kids and kids in general will snack on like anything. So it's basically like a fruit mix. I got strawberry banana Cheerios, mixed berry and strawberry, whatever these are, the yogurt melts. I also got freeze-dried strawberries, freeze-dried strawberry and banana. And then I got these fruit and yogurt snacks. It's kind of like a fruit snack with like a yogurt thing around it. These might be too hard for my little one, so I might not put these in. And I'll just give this to my older kid. But let's just mix this up. Yeah, I thought these bananas might be too hard, but they actually feel really soft, so that's good. Banana, strawberry, and then just strawberry. And then these little yogurt melts. So that's nice. So they'll have this ready to go, cheese sticks, meat sticks, strawberries, blueberries, bananas. I got like easy stuff like biscuits to bake up, cinnamon rolls, just something like making my life easier because I feel like crap obviously. And I'm just gonna throw these in the pantry.
I made you this. Do you want to try? Okay, that movie was so loud in that clip, so sorry about that. As you can see, we were doing some couch rotting and watching a lot of movies while we're being sick and just trying to keep the kids entertained. But as you can see, that little snack mix was a super duper success, and I was so shocked at how much both of my kids loved that freeze-dried fruit. I have never given that to them before. I usually just have fresh fruit, and I've never thought about getting them the freeze-dried stuff just because. And I tried it, and now that is my new favorite thing. They both loved it. They ate it up. They loved the Cheerios. They loved the yogurt melts. They're so into that. So now I really like that for a car ride snack. It is so much easier to give them the freeze-dried fruit rather than fresh fruit. That just makes my life 10 million times easier. So that's amazing. So after I got that mix all mixed up and gave it to my kids, I am going to start loading up the dishwasher. As you can see, there was quite a lot going on in here and just food all over the sink. So I'm going to load up the dishwasher as much as I can and at least rinse down all this food. I couldn't get all the dishes done, and I did not have the energy or the patience to hand wash anything, but I did want to rinse everything down and make sure that there was no food sitting in here just rotting and being gross, and kind of rinsing out the dishes that were left over just to minimize on any gross smells that are happening. And then these can just go into the next load whenever the dishwasher is ready to be unloaded and reloaded again. All throughout the day, I've also been trying to get through some laundry. I definitely did not have the energy to fold anything and put it away, but as long as there is clean clothes somewhere in the house, even if it's just sitting in a hamper, that is fine by me. So I'm just making sure I'm just wash and dry all day long, just trying to get it done so that we at least have clean clothes to wear. So now I'm moving on to the living room. It is, again, just another chaotic room. There's just toys, there's trash, used tissues, just all the things. So I'm just kind of putting away the toys, taking out any clothes. I'm going to wash the blankets and again use the Clorox sanitizer that you've been seeing me use. I just use that in every single load at this point. And now I'm spraying everything down once again with the Clorox multi-surface disinfectant. I'm spraying it on all of the hard surfaces, the coffee table, the TV stand, and I'm spraying it on the remote controller, the air, the whole couch, the curtains, everything. And then on the hard surfaces, I am going to go back behind them and give them a good wipe down, doing the handrails, everything. After that, I honestly didn't think I would get to the floor, but it was bothering me more than anything because it was just covered in dog hair and crumbs, and I just needed it to be taken care of. There's just so much. So luckily I have the Dream Tech vac mop, so it's just a one and done situation, and I have myself in 3 times speed here because I was literally moving at the speed of a snail. And I couldn't believe how slow I was moving. If I put this in real time, you guys would probably click off the video immediately because I was just moving like a snail over here. So I did the living room. I'm doing the dining room now. As you can see, I didn't even bother like cleaning up the dining room. You can see there's a gift right there on the table. We were supposed to go to a kid's birthday party this weekend. Obviously had to cancel. I just didn't even want to bother with it anymore. I was getting the floor done and that was it. I did the kitchen off of camera as well. And that is the end of today's video. And I just wanted to remind you guys that just because you don't get everything done that you think you should, if you do something, it is better than nothing. You can't possibly do it all. I know we want to, as moms, we want to be super mom, we want to do it all, but if you are sick, you do need to rest and just get done what you can. And I'm here with you, and I just love to post realistic stuff like this. That's why I wanted to kind of push through and film even though I was sick and miserable. So yeah, thank you guys for being here, and thanks for being on this journey with me, and I will see you guys in another cleaning video very soon. Bye.